Tried counting orders by customer and got a cryptic Postgres column error instead. Here's exactly why, and how to write it right. Group BY tells Postgres to collapse multiple rows into groups, where every row in a group shares the same value in the column you specify. Think of it like grouping a spreadsheet by department. All the sales rows merge into one summary row, all the HR rows merge into another. Without group BY, an aggregate function would try to reduce your entire table down to a single row, which almost never makes sense. Once rows are grouped, aggregate functions compute one summary value per group. The 5 you need counts the rows in each group. Sum adds up a numeric column. AVG computes the average, min and max return the lowest and highest values. These are the building blocks of every analytical SQL query you will ever write. Here is the core syntax rule. Every column in your select that is not inside an aggregate function must also appear in your group BY clause. Postgres enforces this strictly. Take an orders table with customer_id in amount. To find total spending per customer, write select customer_id, sum of amount AS total, from orders, group BY customer_id. Postgres groups all rows that share the same customer_id and applies sum to their amounts, producing one total row per customer. To filter the grouped results, use having, not here. Here filters individual rows before grouping happens. Having filters after. Add having sum of amount greater than 100, and only customers whose total exceeds $100 appear in the result set. Group BY collapses rows by shared column values, aggregate functions summarize each group, and having filters those summaries. Master this combination, and you can answer almost any analytical SQL question in an interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.